Hello, Forever family. Welcome to today's Product Talk Tuesday. We're going to give people just a moment to pop on here. Today we're talking about your favorite product, Argi Plus. I'm probably not going to tell you much that you don't already know about this product, but I am going to share why this product is very important, as well as what makes it different from other products on the market. So start sharing with your teams, tag whoever you want, get them joining our Facebook Live. We'll probably give you about 20 seconds here. As we're waiting for people to join, I'm just going to let you know again that we've read every question and every product suggestion that you have submitted in relation to these Product Talk Tuesdays. And while I can't guarantee your product suggestions will actually make it to market, I can tell you that if you go back and read some of the comments, some of the products that you have requested may or may not be on their way soon to your markets. So we listen, we hear you, and we act. We also listen to today's consumer, and we don't look at what's just going on in our own backyard here in Scottsdale, in North America. We actually look at the trends all over the world and see where consumers are spending their money with regards to health and wellness. Everybody's searching for that vitality, that improved energy, improved sleep, improved relaxation. They're looking for ways to feel better. And here at Forever Living Products, we have a full range of products, both topical and ingestible, that actually can help achieve just that. So hopefully we've had enough time. Juliana, I'm going to ask for a thumbs up to make sure we've got people on. I've got the thumbs up. We're going to go ahead and dive in. Argi Plus, you know this product, you love this product. As a qualifier, I just want to let you know that the product that I'm going to be talking about is specific to the United States formula, or the formula that's called the US formula. You may live in a country where this formula is different, and so some of the ingredients may not be found in your product. So I simply ask, before you actually go out and start training or talking about this product, that you make sure that you speak directly to the formula that is sold in your market. But again, as a disclaimer or a qualifier, I'm just letting you know that the things I'm talking about are what we actually can say here in the United States, and it's based on the US formula. Okay, you all have heard of nitric oxide, and it's called NO, and you may wonder why you need nitric oxide, or where it's found, or what it does. Nitric oxide does this in its simplest form. It is produced by the inner cells of your arteries, and it's designed to help relax them so that your blood can flow more easily throughout your body. And interestingly enough, nitric oxide is found dominantly in the brain. The brain needs so much energy to process, to recall, to memorize, to stay focused on tasks, and nitric oxide really helps that. But you'll hear about nitric oxide in relation to healthy circulation, that blood flow, because your body produces it naturally. Now, when your body is a little sluggish and perhaps you're not supporting it to the best of your ability, that's when it kicks in that you want to provide a supplement for your body. Now, let me be very clear. When we're talking about blood vessels and healthy circulation and lowering blood pressure, those are considered medical claims. Now, we do know that nitric oxide is produced by the cells of the arteries. It is intended to help the blood pressure remain low, and that is a natural process of the body. If you're experiencing high blood pressure, please seek medical assistance. Go to a doctor, consult your doctor. But if you're healthy and you're seeking to live a healthy lifestyle, and you're active or you're inactive, and you'd like to get a little more active, this is your new best friend. Now, in addition to nitric oxide, we're going to back it up a little bit, and we're going to talk about the main amino acid that contributes to the production of nitric oxide in your body, and that's L-arginine. Now, we want you eating healthy. We want you getting your L-arginine, which is naturally converted to nitric oxide in the body. We want you getting it from foods. Foods that are high in this are celery, lettuce, beetroot, spinach, arugula, and these types of ingredients, including seeds, pumpkin seeds, are very, very high in this. These are great sources to get that naturally. You can also get it from high dense proteins like turkey and pork. And this is very, very important for the body to sustain that natural circulation. Your blood flows through your body so many times a day that when it's sluggish, simply your body doesn't respond. You might experience a brain fog. You might experience a shortness of breath. You might experience either high or low blood pressure, depending on what your medical conditions are. But if your body is not naturally taking that L-arginine and converting it into nitric oxide in a healthy manner, you will experience the results of your body not performing at its optimal level. So here comes Argi Plus. This is a form that you actually mix into water, so it's in a stick pack, it's a powdered form, and it contains L-arginine. But the L-arginine isn't what makes this product special, even though it's called Argi Plus and it talks all about nitric oxide. What makes this product different, and here's the key, you can't look at the formula and isolate one ingredient. You just simply can't. The beauty of the Argi Plus formula is in the combination of the ingredients when put together. I'm going to say that again. Scientifically calculated combination of ingredients is what makes Argi Plus one of the most outstanding products on the market to support the healthy production of nitric oxide. Now, if you're talking to a customer and they're already using a nitric oxide product or an L-arginine product and they've been loyal to that brand and they've used it for years, and you come in and you say, try Argi Plus and believe me because I told you so. That's not really a great argument. The argument here is in the formula and the combination of ingredients. I'm going to give you those categories of ingredients which all work together, and then I'm going to help answer a couple of questions that I get frequently asked about Argi in its actual use. So let's break it down. We've got L-arginine, which is actually that amino acid which converts into nitric oxide, but it doesn't do it exclusively by itself. You have other amino acids in your body that join L-arginine to convert into nitric oxide. Our formula contains L-arginine, however, it also contains vitamin D. And vitamin D is actually good for your immune system and helps to support bone health when taken with calcium. So ladies specifically out there, and men, make sure you're taking Forever Calcium combined with Argi Plus for an amazing results to help achieve that healthy bone structure. Now, again, calcium is known to help support healthy bones. That's just a known. Did you know that vitamin D, when combined with calcium, can actually help that process as well? Well, when you take Argi Plus, you get that dose of vitamin D, which is good for those benefits that I talked about earlier. You have vitamin C in this, and you may think, vitamin C is really common. It is a common standalone raw material or ingredient or vitamin supplement, but vitamin C is a very unstable molecule. And when it's combined with other ingredients, you can actually stabilize it in a way that the body can break it down and process it in a more efficient way. Again, that's part of the beauty of Argi Plus, is the way that we have built this formula to support all of the ingredients found in it. When you drink it in water and take it into your body, those molecules stay at that stable point, and then once they're introduced into the body, your body responds. It knows exactly what to do with vitamin C. It knows where to take vitamin D. It knows how to process L-arginine, what other amino acids to find in the body, how to group them together and convert to nitric oxide. Your body's really intelligent. We're not taking over for the body. We're just giving it a little nudge, a little shake, a little gentle wake up to say, hey, you might be a little more sluggish. Let me give you some help with that natural production. Your body knows exactly what to do with it, and then you experience those benefits. In addition to the vitamin D and the vitamin C and the L-arginine, we have the source of B vitamins. Now, these are known to help support healthy energy levels. And when you talk about a burst of energy in the body, think about that conversion of L-arginine into that burst of nitric oxide that helps improve that blood flow and that blood circulation. That requires a tremendous amount of energy. And so the body is sustained by the B vitamins designed to help support those natural energy levels. So you have vitamin B6, vitamin B9, and vitamin B12, which are also known to help support healthy metabolism. So again, that burst of energy is supported by these B vitamins that are known to help support healthy metabolism as well as those energy boosting functions. Then we have a full range of antioxidants, which come from a lot of our polyphenols. Now, when you talk about the production of L-arginine and the conversion of L-arginine to nitric oxide, you can't exclusively talk about that without healthy polyphenols. And if you read the proprietary blend section of that ingredient level, you're going to find grape skin extract, which is actually a powerful antioxidant. pomegranate, which is another powerful antioxidant, precursors to other functions in the body, and then you're going to read a whole range of red and deep red fruits. That's where your polyphenols come into play. And your polyphenols are also a source or a category of antioxidants, but these are the big antioxidants, the ones that help prevent or stop or protect those cells from oxidation or free radicals. Now, free radicals are just those bad guys that are in your body trying to fight to get into all of the good functions of your body. And an antioxidant is that powerful function that helps your body defend itself against those types of attacks. Now, that's Argi in a nutshell. You can't look at it as just one ingredient. You can't say, our nitric oxide product's better than your nitric oxide product. You need to talk about the formula, not just the L-arginine. The combination of energy-yielding vitamins, polyphenols, antioxidants, L-arginine, vitamin C, and vitamin D combined together are what gives you that powerful energy-boosting formula designed to help support healthy blood flow and healthy circulation. Okay, there you go. I hope that was it. I'm sure I didn't tell you much that you already don't know, but I am going to tell you a couple of things about how to drink Argi. I get this question a lot. Number one question, can I drink Argi in warm water? I know that you've heard maybe the answer to yes in past times. I'm going to tell you it's best when drank in lukewarm to colder water. The reason is, again, those stable vitamins. Anytime you add heat to some of these vitamins, the vitamins will begin to break down right away. So you want to support the vitamins in their healthiest, optimal form so that when you take it into the body, you can actually help the body convert it into what it needs. So again, lukewarm and maybe even a little tepid, so kind of a cool water is ideal for Argi. Then I've been asked, can you leave it in a water bottle and sip on it throughout the day? Again, I'm going to tell you Argi is best when drank in 30 minutes. I'm going to say it again. You're going to hear it right here. Argi is in its purest, best, most bioavailable form when you drink it within 30 minutes of introducing it to water. Again, this goes to the science of the formula. Those vitamins become unstable when introduced into water. And so you want to get that entire formula that's been captured, scientifically vetted, quality tested, put into your stick pack. Once you introduce it into water, you want to get it into the body as quickly as possible. So drink your Argi within 30 minutes of introducing it to water. Make sure you drink it at a tepid or a slightly cooler temperature. When you heat it up, you're still going to get some of the benefits. I'm not saying you won't. I'm just saying you're going to get the most benefits when you drink it in a tepid or a lukewarm or a slightly cool water. Not super cold, not super hot. Now, hope that was helpful. Hope that's answered so many of your questions. Thank you so much. Next week, we're going to be talking about the differences of marine collagen and the infinite firming complex, and I'm going to answer 3 other of your questions next week. Thank you so much for spending time with me, sending you the biggest hugs and loves. Bye.